Well, Julia Wandelt is the first defence witness, and she was called just after lunchtime for the start of the defence case, and she walked very purposely from the dock to the witness box, and for the past 2 hours has been answering questions from her own lawyer very confidently and in very good accented English. She was one of the first things that she was asked by her lawyer was whether she still felt that she was her parents were her true parents, her Polish parents, and she said that she still today didn't believe that they were. They had different hair and eye colourings, she said. That was one of the first things they noticed. She noticed they didn't talk to her about her childhood when she became a teenager. They didn't show her family photographs, she said. She never saw her birth certificate. And when she asked more questions and even asked them to take a DNA test to establish their relationship, her parents, she said, refused to do that. She then went on to talk about how she was abused, she said, as a child by an elderly relative, a man who was later convicted in court. And a man, she said, her father told her, had once abducted somebody. So she began, she said, to suspect that she might be an abducted missing person. So she started to research cases of missing people. That's when she said she came across the case of Madeleine McCann, at which point her lawyer asked her, had she chosen that case for publicity? No, she said. Had she chosen it for financial gain? No, she said. I just wanted to know who I am. She later discovered that her abuser shared the same surname as one of the early suspects in the Madeleine McCann case. That, she said, for her was a big factor. Her lawyer then said that she had contacted lots of organisations, police forces, embassies in Germany and Portugal and England and in Poland, and a number of journalists and private investigators in her search for her background. Why so many had she contacted, the lawyer asked. She said that she didn't at that stage want to go directly to the McCanns to ask them if she might be Madeleine, because she felt that that would upset them and it might give them false hope, she said. In the last few minutes, her lawyer said that Scotland Yard detectives later told her that she wasn't Madeleine McCann, and she hadn't appeared to accept that. She told the court in the last few minutes that she didn't recall that telephone call. Now, Julia Wandelt is likely to spend the rest of the day and probably sometime tomorrow in the witness box.